Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best air fryers. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So let's get started. Number 5. Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer 6 Cutie. Introducing the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer 6 Cutie, a powerful 2024 air fryer with fast TurboBlaze technology, a PFAS-free ceramic-coated basket, and 9 versatile cooking functions for healthier, crispy meals. Priced at around $85.36, this air fryer offers premium features like turbo modes, ceramic non-stick coating, 5 fan speeds, and a 2-year warranty, making it one of the best values in its class. 6-quart capacity, great for families of 3 to 5 people. 9 cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, frozen, proof, reheat, and keep warm. TurboBlaze technology with 5 fan speeds and 4 turbo modes for faster, more even cooking. Wide temperature range, 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for everything from dehydrating fruit to high heat roasting. PFAS-free ceramic non-stick basket for healthier cooking and easy cleanup. 1725W heating system delivers quick preheating and crispy results. LED touchscreen controls with customizable preheat settings. Dishwasher-safe basket and crisper plate for hassle-free cleaning. Includes 100+ in-app recipes with nutrition information. Pros: excellent crisping performance with even cooking. Healthy PFAS-free ceramic coating. Quiet operation compared to many competitors. Easy-to-use touchscreen interface. Fast cooking with TurboBlaze airflow. Dishwasher-safe accessories. Great value for the price. Cons: no smart home or Wi-Fi connectivity. 6-quart capacity may be small for very large families. Exterior can become warm during extended cooking. Only available in 120V, limiting international compatibility. Number 4. Ninja XL Air Fryer Pro AF181. Meet the Ninja XL Air Fryer Pro AF181, a powerful 6.5-quart air fryer featuring max crisp technology, 450 degrees Fahrenheit cooking, and 6 versatile cooking functions for fast, crispy, and healthier meals. Priced at $119.99, the Ninja AF181 offers premium cooking performance, a spacious XL basket, and powerful 1750W heating, making it an excellent choice for families and serious air fryer users. Large 6.5-quart capacity, perfect for families of 4 to 6 people. Holds up to 5 pounds of French fries or 9 pounds of chicken wings. 6-in-1 cooking functions: max crisp, air fry, air roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Max crisp technology delivers extra crispy results using superheated airflow. 450 degrees Fahrenheit maximum temperature for faster cooking and better browning. 1750-watt powerful heating system ensures quick preheating and even cooking. Touchscreen controls with programmable timer and precise temperature adjustment. Non-stick basket and crisper plate make cooking and cleanup easy. Automatic shutoff adds extra safety. Includes a 20-recipe cookbook to help you get started. Pros: outstanding crisping performance with max crisp technology. Large basket fits family-sized meals. Fast cooking with powerful 1750W heating. Easy-to-use digital touch controls. Durable non-stick basket for quick cleanup. Excellent roasting and reheating performance. Cons: higher price than many competitors. No smart Wi-Fi or app connectivity. Non-stick coating requires gentle care to extend its lifespan. Slightly bulky for small kitchen countertops. Number 3. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6 Cutie Air Fryer. Introducing the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6 Cutie Air Fryer, a premium 6-in-1 air fryer featuring even crisp technology, fast cooking, and a sleek stainless steel design for delicious, healthier meals. Priced at $139.99, the Vortex Plus delivers premium build quality, even crisp, air frying technology, and versatile cooking functions. It's a great investment for those who want reliable performance and easy cleanup. 6-quart capacity, ideal for families of 3 to 5 people. 6-in-1 cooking functions: air fry, broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Even crisp technology delivers crispy, golden results with less oil. 1700-watt heating system for fast preheating and efficient cooking. Wide temperature range: 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for everything from dehydrating to roasting. Digital touch controls with customizable cooking programs. Dishwasher-safe basket and tray for quick and easy cleanup. Modern stainless steel finish adds durability and a premium kitchen look. Built-in programmable timer and automatic shutoff for convenience and safety. Pros: excellent crispy results with even crisp technology. Premium stainless steel construction. Easy-to-use touchscreen controls. Dishwasher-safe basket makes cleaning effortless. Fast, even cooking with minimal oil. Compact footprint despite its 6-quart capacity. Cons: more expensive than many competing 6-quart air fryers. Maximum temperature is 400 degrees Fahrenheit, lower than some rivals offering 450 degrees Fahrenheit. No Wi-Fi or smart home connectivity. Exterior can become warm during extended cooking. Number 2. Ninja DZ550 Foodi DualZone Smart XL Air Fryer. Introducing the Ninja DZ550 Foodi DualZone Smart XL Air Fryer, a premium 10-quart air fryer with 2 independent baskets, a smart cook thermometer, and DualZone technology for cooking 2 meals at the same time. Priced at $169.99, the Ninja DZ550 offers premium smart features, a massive 10-quart capacity, and dual basket convenience, making it an excellent value for large families and home chefs. 10-quart XL capacity with 2 independent 5-quart baskets for cooking 2 different foods simultaneously. 6-in-1 cooking functions: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. DualZone technology lets you cook different foods with different settings at the same time. Smart Cook Thermometer monitors internal food temperature for perfectly cooked meat without guesswork. Smart Finish Mode ensures both baskets finish cooking together. Match Cook Mode copies settings to both baskets for larger batches. IQ Boost technology optimizes power for faster cooking. Wide temperature range: 105 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for everything from dehydrating to high heat crisping. 1690-watt heating system delivers fast, even cooking. PFAS-free non-stick baskets and dishwasher-safe crisper plates make cleanup quick and easy. Pros: dual baskets save time by cooking 2 meals at once. Smart thermometer delivers perfectly cooked meat. Smart Finish and Match Cook are extremely convenient. Huge 10-quart capacity is ideal for families and meal prep. Excellent crisping performance with even cooking. Dishwasher-safe accessories simplify cleanup. PFAS-free non-stick coating adds peace of mind. Cons: premium price compared to single-basket air fryers. Large footprint requires significant counter space. Heavier than most standard air fryers at nearly 20 pounds. No Wi-Fi or smart app connectivity. Number 1. Chefman TurboFry 8QT Air Fryer. Introducing the Chefman TurboFry 8QT Air Fryer, a spacious family-size air fryer with a 450 degrees Fahrenheit high fry mode, rapid air technology, and 4 versatile cooking functions for crispy, healthier meals. Priced at $119.99, the Chefman TurboFry 8QT offers a large cooking capacity, easy-to-use touch controls, and premium features like high fry mode and a shake reminder, making it a great value for families. Large 8-quart capacity, perfect for families of 4 to 6 people. 4 cooking functions: air fry, bake, reheat, and frozen food mode. Rapid air technology circulates hot air for crispy, evenly cooked food with little to no oil. 450 degrees Fahrenheit high fry mode adds an extra crispy finish to fries, wings, and other favorites. 1700-watt heating system provides fast preheating and efficient cooking. Touchscreen digital controls with adjustable temperature and timer. LED shake reminder alerts you when it's time to shake food for even crisping. Non-stick basket and dishwasher safe parts make cleanup quick and simple. Modern stainless steel finish complements any kitchen. Pros. Large 8-quart basket is ideal for family meals. High fry mode delivers extra crispy results. Easy-to-use digital touch controls. Helpful LED shake reminder improves cooking consistency. Dishwasher-safe basket for effortless cleanup. Stylish stainless steel design. Excellent value for a large-capacity air fryer. Cons. Standard cooking temperature tops out at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. High fry reaches 450 degrees Fahrenheit only at the final stage. No Wi-Fi or smart app connectivity. Fewer cooking presets than some premium competitors. Takes up more counter space than compact models.